Now it's time to felicitate our little ones for their excellent performance in various activities. Now I request our honorable guest, Shri Kirloskar Sir, to felicitate our children of Lily Group. Frog jump competition, first prize goes to Swaroop Bondekar. He also got second prize in fancy dress competition and again second competition in recitation of poem. Please give him that round of applause. Clap for him. Swaroop Bondekar. Second, Ananya Bathare. First prize, frog jump competition. She also got third prize in fancy dress competition and first prize in recitation of poem. Third, Sai Ghase. She got second prize in frog jump competition and also second prize in fancy dress competition. Got third prize in frog jump competition and consolation in fancy dress competition. Next, Sara Shinde. She got first prize in balancing and consolation in fancy dress competition. Next, Arya Kuthe, second prize in balancing competition, third prize in fancy dress competition and consolation in recitation of poem. Manang Kuthe, third prize in balancing competition and consolation in fancy dress competition. Next is Shriya Zauke. First prize in fruit race competition, second in fancy dress competition. Next is Mandar Patil. He got second prize in fruit race competition and third in fancy dress competition. Competition and third in recitation of poem competition. Next, Shreya Khade, third prize in fruit race competition. Dr. Bharti Madam to give away the prizes. Aradhya Zauke, first prize in coloring competition, consolation in fancy dress competition and consolation in poem recitation competition. competition, third prize in fancy dress competition, and again second in poem recitation competition. Coloring competition, third prize in fancy dress competition, and consolation in recitation of poem. Arush Karve, third prize in coloring competition, consolation in fancy dress competition, and consolation in poem recitation. Sia Bhoir, first prize in beads competition, first prize in fancy dress competition, and third prize in poem recitation competition. Please clap for them. Prachi Jadhav, second prize in beads competition, second prize in fancy dress competition. Second prize in beads competition. Swasti Parange, third prize in beads competition. Thank you, madam. Now I request Dr. Kumar sir to give away the prizes. Sunflower Group.
Sejal Mani, first in frog jump competition, first in fancy dress competition. Second in frog jump competition, third in fancy dress competition, and poem competition. Nihan Vaishane, third in frog jump competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. Navya Prasad, third in frog jump competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. Arohi Patil, first in balancing competition, second in fancy dress competition, third in poem recitation competition. Vardhan Zade, second in balancing competition, third in fancy dress competition. second in balancing competition, third in fancy dress competition. Sahi Kai, third in balancing competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. Thank you, sir. Now I invite Mansuke sir for further prize distribution. Shaurya Swami, first in fruit race competition, third in fancy dress competition, second in poem recitation competition. Devash Kalkatta Wala, second in fruit race competition, second in fancy dress competition, first in poem recitation competition. Vibhavari Baisane, third in fruit race competition, third in fancy dress competition. Atharva Jadhav, third in fruit race competition. Lisa Kumari, first in coloring competition, third in fancy dress competition. Rihan Zare, second in coloring competition, second in fancy dress competition, and consolation in poem recitation competition. Niratu Bhase, third in coloring competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. Tanush Chhawa, third in coloring competition, consolation prize in fancy dress. Swara Jagtap, first in beat competition, third in fancy dress competition, third in poem recitation competition. Sejal Palak, second in beat competition, consolation in fancy dress competition, consolation in poem recitation competition. Patil, third in bid competition. K. Chinmay, third in bid competition. Presha Srivastav, third in bid competition. First in frog jump competition, second in fancy dress competition, second in poem recitation competition. Ayan Singh, second in frog jump competition, consolation in fancy dress. Varnika Saxena, third in frog jump competition. Yashvi Gupta, third in frog jump competition, third in fancy dress competition. Dev Menon, third in frog jump competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. Thank you, Mansuke sir. Now I invite Ajinkya Patil for further prize distribution. Adhika Sahaya, first in balancing competition, consolation in fancy dress competition, third in poem recitation competition. Arush Patil, second in balancing competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. Ayush Pawar, second in balancing competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. third in balancing competition. Sunny Menon, third in balancing competition, consolation in fancy dress competition. Arush Mishra, first in fruit race competition, second in fancy dress competition, first in poem recitation competition. Atbek Kadam, second in fruit race competition, third in fancy dress competition. Viva Mansuke, second in fruit race competition, second in fancy race competition. Yuvansh Paneri, third in fruit race competition, consolation in fancy race competition. Swastik Raut Roy, second in fruit race competition, first in fancy dress competition, consolation in poem recitation competition. Spandan Boyle, first in coloring competition, third in fancy dress competition, and consolation prize in poem recitation competition. Shamli Gupta, second in coloring competition, consolation in fancy dress competition, consolation in poem recitation competition. Akshal Patekar, second in coloring competition, third in fancy dress competition. Tracy Sanantha, third in coloring competition, third in fancy dress competition. second in bill competition, second in fancy dress competition. Mira Dhankurkar, third in bill competition, first in fancy dress competition.